Mukulindaw COVID-19 boy.
Yo walal namerwe bukmak kamarangara Dr Jamie ngaraganin na dial Galiwin'ku ngor diang bala doal wang COVID mirwang COVID punan ka diang bala lemur ka untuk karpum naljan lemur to ka jaga pukpako Yolngu ka onatukar dipongor naljan lemur to palai marci ulanakor ka ngaraganin na dial with Dr Sophia.
Hello Galiwin'ku, nice to be here. Thank you for having me on your country.
Can you tell us about Yolngu, who you are, and what's your role out here?
So I've come out with the government to help with MeWatch, to help with the response to COVID. I'm the medical lead in the COVID response team out here, and as you've all seen us doing, we're doing a few different things. We're testing people, helping MeWatch manage people when they are getting sick, and we're checking in on people when they've got COVID and we're worried about them. We're also working with the MeWatch team looking at the vaccinations, and when we're worried about people, we're organising to get them to Darwin. So a few different things.
You're welcome. So, Tiang Bala, what is the story for Galaiwin'ku Tiang Bala?
Yeah, so essentially now with the testing that we've done, we know that there's lots of COVID. So we think there's COVID in most houses in Galiwin'ku at the moment, and we know that life has been tough for people in the last week, us asking you to stay home and help protect the old and the sick people to try and stop them getting COVID. We really appreciate everyone trying to stay home, trying to protect the people in their houses. It's going to be really important to keep doing that for the next couple of weeks, so that we can prevent the old people from getting sick and prevent those people that aren't vaccinated or have lots of medical conditions from getting sick and potentially passing on with COVID.
Yo, so now we dual Tiang Bala darwa COVID kagora dial tangam. Napurka goenga Tiang Bala warpa wanga mak COVID mir. So now we tipongor limurto ganama we naljan limurto kajaga ngulayol wiri mir Yolngu nakon turinin ngo wiri mir Yolngu kawerpo worong Yolngu pile limur mangi walal Yolngu worong kariri mir Yolngu walal nguleka yat wiri maram tiang COVID yo ka Dr Sophia. So from here dual riri bonan COVID has arrived for Galiwin'ku. It is here, it is pretty much everywhere. What's the pathway forward for us now?
It's a good question because, like lots of people say, we can't stay in our houses forever. We would need to get back to normal. We think that COVID levels will stay where they are for the next couple of weeks, and we think there'll probably be a little bit of COVID going ahead in coming years, but it probably in the next couple of weeks it'll be the worst, and then things should calm down a little bit once a lot of people have got COVID and they get better from COVID, because once you've got better from COVID, you're not likely to get COVID again in the next couple of months at least. So that brings me to the point that the Galiwin'ku mob, we've seen so many people be really active and keen to learn how to do the COVID testing on their own, and I think that that's going to be really important going ahead. What's really important now is just looking after those people that have lots of medical conditions or are older and that are likely to get sicker with COVID.
Yo, Magma. So, tipongor na limurong dokar for the next little while, maybe wanggan marmawiko magpulo, lemorto gamangikom namalang Yolngu domangiter naljan numapi do testing jama your naporto dalram tual testing clinic up at the old clinic Ngalkon boy clinic naporto darion ka bingor na porto mangikom namalang Yolngu to mangiter ka tual Yolngu Galiwin'ku to kanjar yo mangiter markijamau ka manmak ka naporong ngorongo jama dipongor limorto jaga morke worongo Yolngu ka wirimer Yolngu limorto tukar pomat nelchan limorto jaga walalang manmak. So if we're looking after people who are sick and people who are old, Galiwin'ku, what are some of the things that we should be watching out for?
It's a really good question because most people with this Omicron type of COVID tend to be really well, particularly if they're young and fit and not too much sickness. What we get really worried about is people getting short wind. If you're short of breath, if you see a person that you're with COVID huffing and puffing, or if they tell you they're feeling short wind or chest pain, we want you to call Me Watch Clinic.
Yo, wala ni COVID mer, kanido ngir ma ring ma white pilil. Dual o anganja ta ka ngana woy lemor muleka larom pile ngor ke Yolngu ngona riri ka yaiter wala lang rumbal ngor markup mer. Thank you, Dr Sophia, for talking to us.
Thank you for having me here. I'm really have appreciated being in this beautiful community and learning from your mob, and there's been some really kind people teaching me about the world that you live in, from Me Watch Clinic and beyond, so thank you. I think getting a plan together about how we can stop people getting really sick and stop people passing on from COVID is what we need to do.
Yo, markup mer Yolngu ma tutut na